Alright, good day, viewers all over the world. I remain my humble self again, Otemu, teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Math Success. Before me on the board is a question, it's Math Olympiad. Okay, how to solve for the value of y, root 5, root 25 again, inside that square root is equal to 125 raised to power y. I will solve this math in with two methods. One is short, another one is long. It's longer. Now, solution, method 1. Don't disconnect. If it is now root 5, root 25 is equal to 125 raised to power y. Yes, I can find the square root of 25. And the square root of 25 is 5. So you will now have 5 dot 5 is equal to 125 raised to power 1. Now we can, the square root of, this is 5 times 25 again. So the square root of 25 again is another 5. So I will express this 125. How many times will you multiply 125 that will give you, multiply 5 that will give you 125 is 3. Is 3. That will give us 125. So here is 5 raised to power 3 bracket y. Now, where we 5 is equals to 5 raised to power 3y. You multiply product law of indices. Now, this raised to power 1, we take the power. So that's a 3y is equals to 1. So divide through by 3 to make y the subject of the formula. Y is equals to 1 over 3. This is method 1. This is method 1. Let me go to method 2. Look at the method 2 here, okay? Let me go to the method 2, which is longer. The method 2, I will take the square. I will take the square to remove this first square root. So here will be raised to power 2 equally. So this will cancel this square. So you are left with 5 root 25 is equals to 125 root 2 times y gives us 2y. I will also take the square again to remove this. I will square here. When you take the square, this will be 5 square. This belongs to this. It belongs to this and belongs to this simultaneously, like a raised to power n. Okay, let me just say a n raised to power n is equal to a n n n. So that's what we're going to do here. So this will now be 5 square, while this will cancel this, will give us dot 25, which is equals to 125. 2 times 2 give us 4y. So we can also use a product and multiplication law of indices on this other side. So here is now 5 raised to power 2 dot another 5 raised to power 2 is equals to 125 raised to power 4y. And law of indices, a raised to power n times a raised to power n again is equal to a raised to power n plus n. Can I use that method there? So here will give us, I just want to work like that. I want to multiply 2. Then here is now 5 raised to power 2 plus 2 is equals to, let me just say here, 5 raised to power 3 or raised to power 4. Why? So here is 5 raised to power 4. That is 5 raised to power what? 4. Is equals to 5 raised to power 3 times 4 is 12y. You can see the base are the same. Now, I will now say 4 is equal to 12y. When you simply say 12y is equal to 4. Divide both sides by 12. 12 will cancel 12. 4 here 1, 4 here 3. And the value of y is 1/3. You see the longer method? This one is longer than the other one. So I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu. Mass success. God bless you.